Hello folks, this is Chris here, aka the voice in text-to-speech as a new friend to Vasu, who is the creator of his second channel. And this is the second part of oral edition of Power BI. Recently we made the first part. Now we are moving to the second part, where we explain about the front end and the Power Query editor, containing more features. However, we choose the most important ones for you all to remember. After all, this was his preparation for the presentation, so he has to keep it ready. Until then, he makes the video collection of what he had learned about Power BI for almost 2 years. Without further ado, let's start our second part quickly. This time, I'm using other sources to learn more about Power BI, with the help of Microsoft Power BI official website, ChatGPT and many more. Because there might be so much of the lecture, so we'll make it short for you all to understand. There might be some reasons about the office that he worked for almost 2 years, but he might be afraid to put it for longer time as made by the staff at the office. You know, we are not here for time pass at the office all day, we make plans for creating everything from scratch. I know his hands are hurting painfully, so he needs rest. To all of you at the office, please understand his whole situation already. Health comes first, so don't force our buddy by giving too much work like this. He has his own ways to make their lives simple and easy. Hope you'll get it. At least he wanted to make his dream come true, so don't disappoint our friend, okay? Now let's begin. Number 1, front-end screen. The front-end screen in Microsoft Power BI Desktop is the main working area where users create reports, dashboards, charts, and visual analysis. It is the first screen visible after loading data into Power BI Desktop. This interface is mainly used for report designing and data visualization. It allows users to drag, drop, format, and analyze data interactively. The front-end screen is divided into several important sections or features. A. The ribbon is located at the top of Power BI Desktop. It contains tabs like Home, Insert, Modeling, View, and Optimize. Each tab provides commands for importing data, creating visuals, formatting reports, etc. It works similarly to the ribbon interface in Microsoft Excel. The ribbon helps users access tools quickly and efficiently. B. The report canvas is the large blank area in the center of the screen. It is used to create and arrange charts, tables, cards, slicers, and visuals. Users can drag visuals onto the canvas and resize them as needed. This area acts like a workspace for designing reports and dashboards. Interactive reports are mainly built in this section. C. The visualizations pane is usually located on the right side. It contains different chart types like bar charts, pie charts, maps, KPIs, etc. Users select visuals from this pane and apply them to the report canvas. It also contains formatting and analytics options for visuals. This pane is important for customizing report appearance. D. The Fields pane displays tables, columns, measures, and hierarchies from the dataset. It helps users select data fields for creating visuals. Fields can be dragged directly into charts or tables. Measures and calculated columns are also shown here. This pane acts as the data source area of the report. E. The Filters pane is used to apply filters to reports and visuals. It supports visual level, page level, and report level filtering. Users can filter data based on categories, dates, numbers, etc. Filtering helps focus on specific information in reports. It improves data analysis and user interaction. And we'll conclude the second one because it was too much of the information, but we'll make progress for sure. F. The navigation pane is available on the left side of Power BI Desktop. It contains icons for Report View, Table/Data View, and Model View. These views help users switch between reporting, data checking, and relationship modeling. Each view serves a different purpose in report development. G. The status bar is located at the bottom of the Power BI window. It displays information related to report pages and zoom levels. Users can switch report pages from this area. It also helps monitor certain report activities and layout settings. This feature improves navigation within reports. Now for the last one, About Home, Transform and Add Column tabs. The Home tab is the default tab in Power BI Desktop. It contains the main commands required for loading, refreshing, and managing data. Some important features are: Get data used to import data from Excel, SQL, Web, CSV, etc. Transform data opens the Power Query editor for data cleaning and transformation. Refresh updates the report with the latest data from the source. Published publishes reports to Power BI service online. New visual/enter data creates manual tables or visuals quickly. The Transform tab is available inside the Power Query editor. It is mainly used for modifying and cleaning data before loading it into Power BI. Some important features are: data type changes column data types, text, number, date, etc. Replace values replaces old values with new values in columns. Pivot/unpivot columns converts rows into columns or columns into rows. Group by summarizes data using count, sum, average, etc. Split column divides one column into multiple columns. The Add Column tab is used to create new columns from existing data. It helps generate calculated or customized columns during data transformation. Some important features are: Custom column creates formulas using Power Query M language. Conditional column creates columns using if conditions. Index column adds serial numbers/index values to rows. Duplicate column creates a copy of an existing column. Date/time column options extracts year, month, day, time, etc. from date fields. I hope you all have understood about the front-end screen and the features in this session. Next, it's the back-end screen or the Power Query editor, because the whole lesson might be so complex. But we'll make a whole progress for all of them to know more. That's it for the first part of second chapter. I'll be back for its second part for sure. For now, please watch as how our buddy learns Power BI differently in a video format. Take care and adios.